Good morning, student. Come to next topic, Bernoulli's form. The two function u and v, using of two function, integrate by applying of Bernoulli's form. Integral u into v into dx. Integral u into v into dx is equal to u into v1 minus u1 u dash is called u dash u1 v2 plus u it is 2 v3 minus u3 v4 plus etc. It is a Bernoulli form. Otherwise we can use same, it is 1, it is integral u into dv. Integral u into dv. You know integration by part, integral u into dv is equal to uv minus integral v into du. Integration by part, it is particular case. In that for example, the integration supposed to be integral, it is x into e power it is minus x dx. Supposed to be the given integral like that, it is x into e power x dx. The power of the function, it is u value, that is x value equal to degree equal to 1. You applying of it is integration by part and simplify this integration. If it is the power of it is the x value is more than of it is 1, it is called supposed to be 3, 4, 5, supposed to be 5. By applying of it this, it is integration. By applying of Bernoulli trials to solve this, it is integration. If it is power of it is x equal to 1, by applying of it is integration by part. Integration by part is called what? Integral u into dv equal to uv minus integral v into du. We know how to apply it already, we discussed several times. Based on it is integration by part. In this it is integration by part only in the case of that the x value, that is power equal to 1. Any x value is called u value. Use u term it is degree that is equal to 1, you are applying of integration by part. And more than of it is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And for that it is case, we can applying of it is Bernoulli's it is formula. And here it is integration u into dv that is equal to u into v minus u dash into v1. That is called, u dash is called, it is the first derivative of u. And v1 is called, it is what? Integration of it is v. U dash is called, it is du. Then it is u double dash is called double time, it is du by ds dx, d square it is u by ds dx, like that. U triple dash is equal to d cube u by ds dx with respect to x, and keep going value. And v1 it is v, it is equal to, depends upon the value of it is v with respect to x. Therefore integration of it is dv is equal to v. Integration of v is equal to v1. Integration of it is v1 is equal to defined by v2. Integration of it is v2 is equal to defined by it is v3. And keep it is continue the integration. And u sides are it is differentiation and v sides are it integration by applying of Bernoulli's it is form. Come to next. Evaluate the first one, integral 0 to 1 x power 3 e power minus 2x into dx. So now we know if we x power it is equal to 1, by applying of it is integration by part, to simplify it is given integral. Now we know the degree of it is x equal to 3. There is no possibility of it is by applying of integration by method. Applying of it is Bernoulli's trials. Therefore, here given it is considered as it is u is equal to x power 3 and dv is equal to e power minus 2x into dx. Form a table. First place u side dash dv is equal to e power minus 2x into it is dx. Now next one, consider u is equal to x power it is 3. Now differentiation, this side we have to differentiate and this side we have to integrate, already you know. So differentiation of it is u equal to defined by u dash, and differentiation of it is x power 3, x power n form, it is 3 into x power it is 3 minus 1 is called 2. Then next one, again differentiate with respect to it is x as u dash is called u double dash, that is equal to 2 into 3 is called 6 into x power it is 2 minus 1 is called 1. Again we have to differentiate u double dash differentiate with respect to x, u triple dash is equal differentiation of 6x, 6 in differentiate with respect to x is called 1. It is simply write 6. Now this side we have to integrate. Integration of it is dv, defined by it is v. Integration of e power minus 2x dx. We know integral formula, integration of e power ax dx, that is equal to 1 by a into e power it is ax. E power it is ax as it is, x quotient equal to it is a, right? 1 by it is a. Now here e power minus 2x dx. So integration of e power minus 2x dx, here a value equal to minus 2. Therefore, differentiate integration of dv defined by it is v. That is equal to integration of e power it is minus 2x. Integration of e power minus 2x dx equal to what? 1 by minus 2 into e power it is minus 2x as it is. Therefore, it is what? Minus it is 1 by 2 e power it is minus it is 2x is called v. Now again differentiate it is integration of it is v. That is v into dv, that is equal to v1 defined by v1. Therefore, integration of v defined by it is v1, that is equal to integration of this one, integration of it is minus 1 by 2 e power minus 2x into dx is called, it is the previous one. We have to integrate this term. Now that is equal to minus 1 by 2, keep it is outside the integral. Integral it is e power it is minus 2x into dx. Again same it is formula, minus it is 1 by 2 already we have, into 1 by minus 2 into e power it is minus 2x. Therefore, minus minus plus it is 1 by it is 4. 1 by 4 e power it is minus 2x remaining. Therefore, 1 by 4 into e power it is 2x. Integration of it is v. Integration of v into dv equal to defined by it is v1. Then it is integration of this term, integration of 1 by 2. And this term it is integration of minus 1 by 2 e power minus 2x dx. And it is minus 1 by 2 quotient term, keep outside integral. E power it is minus 2x, integration become minus 1 by 2 in e power it is minus 2x. Now just multiply the term, it is minus minus plus it is 1, 1 by it is 4, in e power it is minus 2x. That is integration of this previous term. Now next similarly, integrate the next one, integration of v1 into dv, that is equal to v2. Integration of v1 into dv, that is defined by it is v2. It is defined by v2, that is equal to integration of right hand side 1 by 4 into e power it is minus 2x into dx. That is equal to 1 by 4 is called quotient term, keep outside. Integration of e power it is 2x into dx. That is equal to 1 by 4 within the bracket of 1 by minus 2 into e power it is minus 2 into x. Therefore, it is minus into plus is minus 1 by it is 8. Minus it is 1 by 8 e power minus 2 it is x. Integration of the previous it is 1 defined by v2. Again, another it is integration of v2 into dv is defined by it is v3. Therefore, integration of v2 defined by it is v3 is equal to integration of minus 1 by 8 into e power it is minus 2x into dx. That is equal to minus 1 by 8 is called quotient term. Keep outside integral. E power it is minus 2x into dx. That is equal to minus 1 by 8 integral. Then integration of e power minus 2 equal, we know 1 by minus 2 into e power minus 2 it is x. That is equal to minus by minus equal plus 1 ones are 1 and 8 twos are 16. 1 by 16 into e power it is minus 2x. Therefore, this integration equal to 1 by 16 into e power it is minus 2 it is x. It is integration. Now we obtain all the term. Now we have to apply it as Bernoulli formulas. Now what is the Bernoulli's form? Integration of u into dv is equal to uv minus u dash into v1 plus u double dash into v2 minus u triple dash into v3 plus it is etc. It is the general form of it is Bernoulli's trials, Bernoulli form, sir. Now here it is a given integral 0 to it is 1, x power it is 3, e power it is minus 2x into dx, and this one is called u and this one is called it is dv. Therefore, we applied this it is formula, that is equal to u into v. What is the u? U is called x power 3. X power 3 it is called u. V equal to minus it is 1 by 2 e power it is minus 2x. Then it is minus and minus u dash equal to 3 it is x square 3x square, then it is v1 equal to 1 by 4 into e power it is minus 2x. U dash into it is v1, u dash into v1. Then plus u double dash equal to 6 it is x. Then v2 equal to minus it is 1 by 8 into e power it is minus 2x. Then minus, then u triple dash equal to 6. Then v3 equal to 1 by it is 16 into e power it is minus 2x. And the integration final limits are it is 0 and it is 1 is remaining. And if you in differentiation, when we will get a constant term, and after that we will get a definition equal to 0, and until the constant we stop our integration, differentiation. When we will get a constant term and stopping of its differentiation, the same it is 1. We have to different integration also same one. Where we have it is u double dash and we have to find out as v3 only. When we will get a constant term, the corresponding it is integration, we have to get the answer. Now, just simplification. In this all the term, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by it is 2, 1 by 2 common, e power it is minus 2x, e power minus 2x, e power minus 2 common. Therefore, we can take 1 by 2 into e power minus 2x is take commonly. The first term minus x power it is 3 remaining, first one. Then minus 3 by 1 more it is 2 the denominator, x square is remaining. Then it is plus it is 6 by it is 2 take commonly 4 is remaining. Then minus it is minus it is x is remaining. Then it is minus it is 6 by 2 take common remaining it is 8. Then e power is take out, remaining terms are 0 and 1 are limits are remaining. Now we have to take it is 8 is common denominator, that is equal to 1 by 2 e power it is minus 2x within the bracket of, take it is 8 is common denominator, just multiply by 8 minus 8 x power it is 3 and multiplied by it is 4 and 4 is multiplied by 3 it is 12 it is x square. Then minus multiply by it is 2 to get us it is 8, therefore 2 and 6 are it is 12 it is x, then it is 6 and limits are 0 and it is 1. Now in the series term we have to apply it is upper limit y limit value including the c also, e power it is x also, including e power x, 1 by 2 only common term. Okay, come to next line, just it is applying of it is upper limit and y limit value. That is equal to 1 by 2 it is common for the both, it is upper limit y limit. Then upper limit substitute upper limit value equal to 1 for x, e power minus 2e into 1 within the bracket minus 8 1 power it is 3 minus it is 12 into 1 square minus it is 12 it is into 1 plus minus it is 6 by common limit equal to 8, it is upper limit value. Then minus y limit equal to 0. Therefore, e power it is minus 2 into 0 is called 0. E power it is 0. Then within the bracket 0 into 8 is called 0. 0 into 12 is called 0. 0 into 12 is called 0. Minus it is 8 is remaining. Minus 6 is remaining. Minus 6 by denominator equal to 8. Now that is equal to 1 by 2 within the bracket e power it is minus 2 within the bracket and multiply it is minus 8, then minus 12 minus it is again it is minus 12 minus 6 by common denominator equal to 8 and then minus e power it is 0 that is equal to 1 and minus it is 6 by it is 8 as it is. That is equal to 1 by 2 within the bracket e power it is minus 2. Then adding the term it is minus 12 minus 24, adding the value it is minus it is 14 and 8 3 minus, therefore minus it is 38 by 8. Then next it is minus plus it is 6 by it is 8 and this is equal to, just it is multiply into the bracket as it is 2, e power it is minus 2 and 3 minus it is minus 38 by it is 2 into 8, then plus it is 6 by it is 8 into 2. Now cancel it is 1 time, remainder it is 1 9 time and cancel it is 3, that is equal to e power it is minus 2 within the bracket 19 by it is 8 plus it is 3 by it is 8 and this called it is final simplification of the given this integral. Come to next exercise problem, second one. integral 0 to 1 sine of 3 tan inverse of x into tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into dx. Now integrate. Now let us consider, put it is t that is equal to tan inverse of it is x. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Differentiation of t equal to dt, that is equal to tan inverse of x, differentiation equal to 1 by 1 plus it is x square into it is dx. Differentiation of it is tan inverse of x, we know 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. Now if you changing of it is variable from x to it is t, x range are 0 to 1, 0 to it is 1, put x equal to 0, tan inverse of 0 equal to 0, put x equal to 1, it is what value of it is tan equal to 1, it is pi by 4, it is pi by it is 4. Tan 45 degree that is equal to 1. Now therefore the given integral 0 to it is 1 sine within the bracket of 3 time of it is tan inverse of x into tan inverse of x by 1 plus it is x square into it is dx. Now substitute it is tan inverse of x equal to t. Therefore sine 3 into t, then it is dx. So we want to find out as it is dx value. Now here it is dx by 1 plus it is x square, we have just replaced it is dt. Therefore this equation that is equal to integration, it is instead of 0 to it is 1, we have to write 0 to pi by 4. 0 to it is pi by it is 4. And then sine 3 into tan inverse of it is x equal to t, again it is a t, dx by 1 plus x square we can write as dt. Therefore sine of it is 3t into t into it is this total term defined by it is dt. Now again rewrite the term, integral 0 to it is pi by it is 4 t into sine it is of it is 3t into dt. Now this it is in the form of it is integral it is u into integral dv. It is power equal to 1 if you are applying of it is integration by part, or it is Bernoulli's general formula. Any one method is possible. Therefore applying of Bernoulli's form, integral it is u into dv is equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus it is u double dash it is v2 minus u triple dash it is v3 plus it is etc. It is Bernoulli's form. Now here it is, we have to find out as it is table. For it is first one dash, second one it is dv is considered as equal to sine 3 it is t into it is dt. Now it is u that is equal to considered as equal to t. Now it is differentiation of it is it is u equal to du, differentiation of t equal to dt, and then it is integration of dv equal to v, then integration of it is sine it is 3t into dt, that is called it is integration of it is sine ax dx that is equal to minus it is 1 by a into cos it is a it is x plus c. Therefore it is a value equal to 3 here. Therefore it is what? Minus it is 1 by 3 cos it is 3t. It is called integration of sine 3t value. Now just applying of it is Bernoulli's it is form. Equal to last it is the integral value, integral it is 0 to it is pi by it is 4 t into sine it is 3t into it is dt, and that is equal to integral u into v, u equal to t, then it is v equal to minus 1 by 3 into it is cos it is 3 it is t, then u dash minus u dash equal to what? U dash that is called, simply we can write as u dash that is equal to differentiation of t with respect to t 1. Now here different integration of v equal to defined by v1 that is equal to integration of it is minus it is 1 by 3 into cos it is 3t into dt. Therefore integration it is minus 1 by 3 keep outside, integration of cos 3t equal to plus it is 1 by 3 into sin it is 3, it is t. Therefore, multiply term minus 1 by 9 into sin it is 3, it is t remaining. Therefore, u dash that is equal to what? U dash that is equal to 1. Then b1 that is equal to minus it is 1 by 9 into sin it is 3t. The limits are 0 and it is pi by 8 is 3. Pi by 8 is 4. That is equal to, what is the final simplification? Minus t by 8 is 3 cos 3t minus plus it is 9 minus it is 1 by 9 into sin it is 3t. Within the bracket, the limits are 0 and it is pi by 8 is 4. Now just apply the upper limit, lower limit value. Integration of minus t, replace upper limit equal to pi by 4. Pi by it is 4 by it is 3 into cos of 3 into pi by it is 4 plus it is 1 by 9 into sin 3 into it is pi by it is 4. Upper limit value. It is totally it is upper limit. Then 0. 0 into any term it is become 0. First it is 1. Then plus it is 1 by 9 into sin 3 into 0. It is sin 0. Sin 0 equal to 0. It is simply it is 0. And that is equal to 3 comes denominator minus it is pi by it is 12. And into it is cos 3 it is pi by it is 4 plus it is 1 by 9 into sin it is 3 it is pi by it is 4. Now just find out as it is 3 pi by 4 value. 3 pi by it is 4, that is equal to 3 into 180 by it is 4, cancel it is 4 time it is 16, remainder it is 2, remainder is 5. Therefore it is 45 into 3 equal to 130, it is 5. Therefore we want to find out sin 3 pi by 4 value and cos 3 pi by 4 value. First find out as sin it is 3 pi by it is 4, that is equal to sin 135 it is degree. That means it is sin it is 190, 135 you can write 90 plus it is 45 degree. 135 you can write 90 plus it is 45. 90 plus 45 lies in which quadrant? Second it is quadrant value only. It is 90 degree plus it is 45 degree. It is lies in 90 plus it is theta. Lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant sinus it is positive. Sinus it is positive. But it is complementary angle 90. Sin become plus it is cos. The theta value equal to 45. That is equal to 1 by it is root 2. Cos 45 equal to 1 by it is root 2. First one. Then similarly find out as it is cos it is 3 pi by 4 value. Therefore cos it is 3 pi by it is 4, that is equal to cos 135 degree, that is equal to cos of it is 90 plus it is 45 degree. Again it is second quadrant, it is cos value equal to minus. Then complementary angle cos become plus it is sin, and then it is theta value equal to 45 degree. And 90 plus it is theta lies in second quadrant cos value equal to minus. Complementary angle 90 degree, therefore it is outside trigonometry cos becomes sin, theta equal to 45, that is equal to minus 1 by again it is sin 45 equal to 1 by it is root 2, minus it is 1 by root 2, just substitute here. Therefore this it is equation that is equal to minus it is pi by it is 12 and cos it is 3 pi by 4 value equal to minus it is 1 by it is root 2, then it is plus it is 1 by 9 into sin 3 pi by 4 value equal to 1 by it is root 2, 1 by it is root 2. Now 1 by root 2 it is take commonly, it is 1 by root 2 commonly, remaining it is minus plus it is 5 by it is 12 plus it is 1 by it is 9, and is called final it is simplification. Come to next exercise problem, third one. Integration of 0 to it is 1 by root 2, integration of 0 to 1 by root 2 e power it is sin inverse of x into sin inverse of x by square root of 1 minus x square into dx. So there is no direct formula, just we have to simplify. Now put it is t that is equal to sin it is inverse of x. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides, therefore dt that is equal differentiation of sin is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus it is x square into it is dx. You know differentiation of sin inverse of x equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Now here the given integral e power it is sin inverse of x we can write t. Again sin inverse of we can write t. Then dx by square root of 1 minus x square we can write dt. And before applying we have to find out as it is range, because given function is in the form of it is x, but we convert it is t, therefore it is find out as range from x to it is t. X range are it is 0 to 1 by it is root it is 2. Then put x equal to 0 in the t, sin inverse of 0 that is equal to 0. Sin inverse of 0 equal to 0. Then put x value equal to it is x value equal to 1 by it is root 2. That is called sin it is inverse of it is 1 by it is root 2 that is equal to t. Now just transfer the term 1 by it is root 2 that is equal to sin it is t. Now what value of it is t? The sin will get 1 by root 2. Sin 45 degree is called sin it is pi by it is 4. That is equal to 1 by it is root. Sin 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2. Therefore t equal to pi by it is t, that is equal to pi by 4. Therefore t equal to pi by it is 4. So now the given integral it is 0 to 1 by it is root 2. 0 to 1 by root 2 e power it is sin inverse of it is x into sin inverse of x by square root of 1 minus it is x square into dx, that is equal to convert the x variable to it is t variable. T range from 0 to it is pi by it is 4. Integral 0 to it is pi by it is 4. And then e power it is sin inverse of x defined by it is t into sin inverse of x equal to t. Then it is dx by square root of 1 minus x square. Dx by square root of 1 minus x square defined by it is dt into it is dt. Now rewrite the term integral 0 to it is pi by it is 4 t into e power it is t into it is dt. Now applying of it is Bernoulli form, here u equal to it is t and e power it is t into it is dt is called it is dv. Therefore by applying of Bernoulli form, integration of u into dv is equal to u into v minus u dash into v1 plus it is u double dash into v2 and minus u triple dash into v3 plus it is u plus it is etc. It is called Bernoulli's form. Bernoulli's formula. Applied here it is Bernoulli form. Therefore that is equal to u into v. So first of all find out as it is value. Consider a term. First it is tabular column, first one dash dv is equal to e power it is t into it is dt. Now second it is term u defined by what? U defined by it is a t. U defined by it is t. Now what is the next line? Differentiate the differentiation of u equal to u dash. Differentiation of t with respect to t it is 1. Differentiation of it is t with respect to t 1. Then it is integration of dv equal to v. Integration of e power t becomes same e power t. Integration of e power t is x into dx is equal to same e power x plus c. Therefore, in the integration of e power t dt equal to e power t is t. Again, integration of it is v equal to defined by v1. Integration of e power t becomes same it is e power t, and this is called tabular column. Now applying of the formula, that is equal to, and now what is it? First one, this term is called u into v. Integration of u into dv, and it is equal to u into v minus u dash into v1. What is u? U is called it is a t, and v equal to e power it is t. U into v minus u dash into v1. U dash that is equal to 1. v1 equal to e power it is t. Then limits are given 0 and it is pi by it is 4. Once again, the last term integral it is 0 to pi by 2 t into e power t into dx in the form of integration of u into dv by applying of Bernoulli's form. Now we obtain it is differentiation integration. Now apply formula u into v minus u dash into v1. The limits are 0 and it is pi by 2. Just simplify this equal to t in the e power it is t minus it is e power it is t. The limits are 0 and it is pi by it is 4. Now just substitute upper limit y limit value. Upper limit equal to pi by it is 4. Substitute, it is t value equal to pi by 4, pi by it is 4 into e power t equal to pi by it is 4 minus e power it is pi by it is 4 upper limit value minus lower limit equal to 0, 0, 0 into any term becomes 0 minus e power it is 0, e power it is 0. In this term, we have e power it is pi by 4 is common, e power it is pi by 4 it is take commonly, remaining pi by it is 4 minus it is 1 in the first term. Then it is minus minus plus it is e power it is 0. That is equal e power it is pi by it is 4 within the bracket of it is pi by 4 minus it is 1 and e power it is 0 that is equal to 1. Therefore, this is a final simplification of the given it is integral. Come to next exercise problem. Question number 4. Integral 0 to pi by 2 x square into cos 2x into dx. Integral 0 to pi by 2 x square into cos 2x into dx. Now, this equation in the form of u into, we can consider it is called it is a dv. Therefore, by applying of it is Bernoulli form, integral it is u into dv is equal to uv minus u dash into v1 plus u double dash into v2 minus u triple dash into v3 plus it is etc. Applying of it is Bernoulli form. Now consider first differential side dash, then dv that is equal to cos 2x into dx, cos 2x into dx, then u that is equal x square, u that is equal to x square. Now differentiation of u equal to u dash, differentiation of it is x square equal to 2 it is x. Again differentiate u double dash and the differentiation of 2x equal to 2. Now integration of dv equal to v, integration of cos it is 2x into dx that is equal to, and it is cos ax dx, a value equal to it is 2, 1 by it is 2 into sin it is 2x. Therefore 1 by 2 into sin it is 2x. Now again integration of it is v equal to defined by v1 and integration of 1 by 2 into sin it is 2x dx that is equal to 1 by 2 it is quotient term, keep outside, integration of sin 2x into dx that is equal to 1 by 2 as it is, integration of it is sin become minus cos, here a value equal to 2, therefore minus 1 by 2 into cos it is 2x, therefore that is equal to minus 1 by 4 into cos it is 2x integration, therefore minus 1 by 4 into cos it is 2x. Again we have to integration of it is minus it is 1 by 4 into cos it is 2x into dx is equal to minus it is 1 by 4 outside, integration of it is cos it is 2x into dx is equal to minus it is 1 by 4, integration of cos become plus it is sin, a value equal to 1 by 2 into sin it is 2 it is x. Just multiply the value, minus 1 by 8 into sin it is 2x integration. Therefore, the integration of v1 defined by v2 that is equal to minus it is 1 by 8, minus 1 by it is 8, sin it is 2 it is x. Next line, the given integral 0 to pi by it is 2 x square into cos 2x into dx that is equal to integral u into dv model. Therefore, it is integral u into dv equal to u into v, u equal to x square, then v equal to 1 by 2 into sin it is 2 it is x, u into v minus next minus u dash into v1, u dash equal to 2x, u dash equal to 2x, then v1 equal to minus it is 1 by 4 into cos it is 2 it is x, then plus it is u double dash equal to 2, then it is v2 equal to minus 1, v2 is equal to minus 1 by it is 8 into sin it is 2 it is x, then totally the limits are 0 to pi by it is 2, 0 to it is pi by it is 2. Now that is equal to Any common term 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is common. So 1 by 2 only, 1 by 2 only it is common to all the term. Therefore it is x square into sin it is 2 it is x remaining. Then minus 1 by 2, 2 is really cancel it is 2, 2 is taken out, remaining it is x into cos it is 2 it is x remaining. So cancel it is 4, again 1 by 2 is take it out, minus it is 1 by 2 remaining into sin it is 2 it is x, limits are 0 and it is pi by it is 2. Now substituting of it is upper limit, lower limit value, put our upper limit 1 by 2 within the bracket of x value equal to it is pi by it is 2, pi by it is 2 it is whole square into sin it is 2 into it is pi by it is 2 minus x value equal to pi by it is 2 into cos of it is cos into 2 into it is pi by it is 2, then minus it is 1 by 2 into minus it is 1 by 2 into sin of it is 2 into 1 pi by it is 2, it is called upper limit value, and minus lower limit 0 into the total term 0 minus 0 into the total term 0. Therefore 0 into sin 2 into 0 is called sin 0. Totally the total it is lower limit value equal to 0. 0 into the term 0, 0 into this term 0, 1 by 2 into sin 2 into 0, sin 0 equal to 0. Therefore total it is lower limit becomes 0. Come to next line, it is equal to 1 by 2 outside, pi square by it is 4 into sin 2 to our against sin pi, sin it is pi is remaining minus pi by 2, pi by it is 2, then 2 to our cancel it is cos it is pi, then minus it is 1 by 2 into 2 to our cancel it is sin it is pi, that is equal to 1 by 2 into sin square pi square by it is 4, sin pi equal to 0, sin pi, sin it is pi that is equal to 0, cos it is pi that is equal to minus 1. Then pi by it is 2, cos pi equal to minus 1, minus it is 1 by 2 into sin pi equal to 0. Now that is equal to 1 by 2 within the bracket of the total term equal to 0, then minus into plus, minus into minus become plus, it is pi by it is 2, then it is 0. That is equal to 1 by 2 into it is pi by it is 2, that is equal to pi by it is 4. This is called final simplification of given it is integration. Come to next topic, improper integration. Improper integral is supposed to be the integral in the form of a to infinity. So one of the boundary we know it is a, supposed to be it is 0. 0 is called one of the boundary, lower limit, but upper boundary it is infinity, so not definite value. So this f of this type of it is integration defined by improper integral. And similarly minus infinity to it is a, it is also one of it is indefinite integral, improper integral, and minus into plus infinity f of dx. And these are all it is called it is improper it is integral. Now how to solve? It is improper integral a to infinity f of x dx is equal limiting it is t tends to infinity. T tends to it is infinity. Put as t value equal to infinity, it tends to it is infinity form, applying of limits, and a2 it is t f of x into dx. Integral a2 it is infinity f of x ds, we can write limit t tends to infinity. Integral it is a2 it is t f of x dx. Similarly minus infinity to a f of x ds, we can write limit it is t tends to minus infinity, and integral it is t, instead of it is minus infinity, we can write t here. Therefore limit t tends to infinity, integral t to it is a f of x dx. And similarly minus infinity plus infinity f of x ds, we can write limit t tends to infinity, minus infinity we can write minus t, plus infinity we can write plus it is t. Therefore limit t tends to infinity, integration of it is minus t to plus t f of x dx, and these are called improper it is integrals, improper integral. Using this improper integral, just we have to solve some of the sum in the exercise 9.5. Come to next exercise number 9.5. First one, evaluate first subdivision integral 0 to pi by it is 2 dx by 1 plus 5 into cos pi. Therefore given integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2 dx by 1 plus 5 into it is cos square it is x, that is equal to. Now in this equation it is not, it is improper, it is integral form. So just we have to substitute to convert this equation the improper it is integral form. So we have to multiply numerator by 1 by it is cos square. Multiply and divided by 1 by cos square. Therefore integral 0 to it is pi by 2 as it is 1 by it is cos square it is x into it is dx. Just multiply 1 by it is cos square numerator. Again denominator also 1 plus 5 into it is cos square it is x by it is cos square it is x. 1 by cos square, 1 by it is cos square, multiplied by it is numerator denominator for the given integral. Now that is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2, 1 by cos square equal to secant it is square it is x into dx by separating of denominator, separating numerator it is 1 by it is cos square it is x plus it is 5 into cos square it is x by cos it is square it is x. So one cos square will cancel, that is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2, secant square numerator secant square it is x into dx as it is. Then 1 by it is cos square equal to secant square it is x. Then cos cancel, remaining it is 5. 1 plus it is secant square, you can write 1 plus it is tan square, that is equal to integral 0 to pi by it is 2 secant square it is x into dx by secant square equal to 1 plus it is tan square it is x plus it is 5. Just add the term, that is equal to 6. Therefore integral 0 to it is pi by 2 secant square x into it is dx by 6 plus it is tan square it is x. What we have to do next line, put it is t equal to it is tan x. Therefore put it is t is equal to tan it is x. Differentiation dt is equal to differentiation of tan becomes secant square it is x into dx. Therefore instead of the term secant square x dx we have to replace dt. Now what we have to do, convert it is x variable to t variable, just we have to find out as it is range. From it is x to it is t. X range are 0 to it is 90, 0 to it is pi by it is 2 is called 90. Put it is x value equal to 0, tan 0, therefore tan 0 equal to 0, t value equal to 0. Put it is tan it is pi by it is 2, tan pi by 2. Tan it is pi by it is 2, that is equal to tan 90 equal to infinity, it is infinity. Now the last equation we can write as integral, instead of it is 0 to it is 90, we can write 0 to infinity, t form, 0 to it is infinity. Then it is secant square x into dx, we can write dt. D it is t by 6 plus tan square you can write as it is tan equal to t, and tan square you can write t square, it is t square. Now the next line, just we can write integration of 0 to it is infinity dt by root it is 6 it is whole square, because it is root 6 it is 6 plus it is t square. Then what is next line? To integrate the value by applying of what formula? Integration of it is dx by it is x square plus it is a square is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of it is x by a. Apply this in this integral formula here. Here it is x is called t, then a is called root 6. Therefore integration of it is this term, that is equal to 1 by a. What is a? Root 6. 1 by root it is 6 into tan inverse of it is inverse of x by a. X is called t by it is a is called root 6. Then it is limits are, what is limit? It is 0 to infinity. It is equal to 1 by root 6, keep outside, integration within the bracket of tan inverse of it is t by it is root it is 6, and then limits are 0 and it is infinity. Put it in upper limit value, 1 by root 6 common term within the bracket, tan inverse of t value equal to infinity by it is root 6 become it is infinity only. Then minus, put as tan value upper lower limit t value equal to 0, tan it is inverse of it is 0. Upper limit equal to infinity, lower limit equal to 0. That is equal to 1 by root it is 6 into tan inverse of infinity. What value of it is tan it is infinity? Tan 90, that is equal to infinity. Therefore it is pi by it is 2. Pi by is called 90 degree minus tan 0 equal to 0. Tan inverse of infinity. What value of it is tan it is infinity? Tan 90 degree equal to infinity. Therefore it is pi by 2 is called it is theta value. Then tan 0 equal to 0. And that is equal to pi 1 by it is root 6 into it is pi by it is 2. That is equal to pi by it is 2 into root 6. It's called final simplification. Come to next subdivision number 2. Integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by 5 plus 4 into sin square it is x. Therefore, given integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2 dx by 5 plus 4 into sin square it is x. Again, we have to multiply numerator by 1 by it is cos square. Therefore, integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2 1 by it is cos square it is x into dx by 5 by it is cos square it is x plus it is 4 by 4 into sin square x by it is cos square it is x. That is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2 1 by it is cos square equal to secant square it is x into it is dx by then it is 5 by 5 into 1 by cos square equal to secant square 1 by equal to secant square x plus it is 4 by it is sin by cos equal to tan 4 into it is tan square it is x. Now again it is secant square we can write it is 1 plus it is tan square. Therefore that is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2 secant square it is x into dx remainder as it is 5 into secant square 5 into secant square we can write 1 plus it is tan square x plus it is 4 into it is tan square it is x. Just multiply 5 into the bracket integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2 secant square it is x into dx by multiply it is 5 plus 5 it is tan square x plus it is 4 into tan square it is x. That is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2 secant square it is x into dx by 5 plus take it is term addition it is same it is term it is 5 plus 4 equal to 9 it is tan square it is x. Now in this two term you can take 9 as commonly and that is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2 secant square it is x into dx by take it 9 as commonly within the bracket of 5 by it is 9 plus it is tan square it is x. If you multiply into the bracket 9 9's are cancelled 5 then 9 into tan it is tan square x is called 9 it is tan square. Now 1 by 9 we can keep outside it is 1 by it is 9 integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2 secant square it is x into dx by 5 by it is 9 plus it is tan square it is x. Now here convert this term is equal to 1 by 9 integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2 secant square it is x into dx by it is root it is what root of it is 5 by 3 it is whole square plus it is tan square it is x. Now again we can take it as tan x that is equal to t. Okay, come to next line. Now let us put it as t that is equal to tan it is x. Differentiate dt that is equal to differentiation of it is tan become secant square x into dx. Now find out as range from it is x to it is t x 0 to 90 0 to it is pi by it is 2 put it is x value equal to 0 tan 0 equal to 0 put x value equal to it is pi by it is 2 90 then tan 90 equal to infinity. Now the next line this equation that is equal to 1 by 9 Integral instead of 0 to 90, we can write 0 to infinity. 0 to it is infinity. Secant square x into dx. Secant square x into dx is secant defined by dt. It is dt by root it is 5 by it is 3, it is whole square. Root it is 5 by 3 whole square plus it is tan x is called, it is t square. It is simply correct t square. Now already we know the integral it is dx by it is x square plus it is a square, that is equal to 1 by a into tan it is inverse of it is x by it is a is integral formula. Here it is x is called t and a is called root 5 by it is 3. Root 5 by it is 3. That is equal to 1 by 9 is as it is. Now integration it is a value equal to root it is 5 by it is 3. 1 by a. 1 by root it is 5 by it is 3. Tan it is inverse of x equal to t by a equal to root it is 5 by it is 3. The limits are it is 0 and it is infinity. And that is equal to take reciprocal, it is 3 by 9 into root it is 5. And within the bracket of it is tan inverse of it is t by 3t by it is root it is 5. The limits are it is 0 and it is infinity. Now put it is upper limit value 3 by 9 into root it is 5 as it is. Within the bracket upper limit equal to tan inverse of infinity into any multiplication infinity, tan it is inverse of it is infinity minus tan inverse of it is 0 into any value 0, it is tan inverse of it is second interval it is 0. Now what value of it is tan that is equal to infinity, tan 90 equal to infinity, that is equal to 3 by 9 into root it is 5. And within the bracket of it is 5 by 2 minus it is 0. Therefore that is equal to multiply the term it is that is equal to what next line final answer. Multiply it is 3 pi. Then cancel it is 3 times. Therefore it is that is equal to pi by multiply it is 6 into root it is 5 and it's called final it is a simplification. The final it is simplification equal to pi by 6 into root it is 5. This is called final simplification of the given it is integral. Exercise problem. Remaining it is example sums in the book and just you try that sums are as is homework and thank you one and all.